Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your photo using Canva. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Canva application, or you can go to the canva.com and you can create new design, and then you're going to upload your photo to Canva. And for example guys, I'm going to remove this text. And if we want to remove something, we can use the object eraser. You can select eraser right here and then choose Magic Eraser. And then you can customize the brush size. I'm going to make it bigger like this, and then just erase the text. But unfortunately, this feature is not free, guys. If you want to get this feature, you need to subscribe to Canva. Okay, done, and then you just need to click on erase. Okay, and hold on. Canva will remove the text. Okay, clear? As you can see that the text has been removed from my photo. But maybe for some photos, it can't work well, especially when the photo has complicated background with a lot of objects on it. Maybe it will be difficult, but yeah, you can still try, even though the result is not that good. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove text from your photo using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!